circle of Willis in 60 seconds. We'll be doing it by tribal method. So what is circle of Willis? It is a junction of several important arteries at the bottom part of your brain, and it encircles stalk of pituitary and provides communication between blood supply of forebrain and hindbrain, that is between internal carotid and vertebrobasilar system. This picture is of Papua New Guinea tribe, and the design on their face is called Tufian art. So imagine that you are doing a Tufian art right now. First draw two eyes and write I in them for internal carotid artery, and then draw an eyeliner coming out of your eyes for ophthalmic branch. Then make an M around the eye for middle cerebral artery. As for forehead, make a big A. The whole A is for anterior cerebral artery and the joining part is anterior communicating artery. Draw two P's on the cheeks for posterior communicating artery. Jaw outline by posterior cerebral artery. Then make a big B for body, that is basilar artery. And then from the body, there are two limbs, or you can imagine it as a hand with a fist, for pontine artery. And then make a V for legs and its vertebral artery, and all done with circle of Willis. See you in our next video. Until then, keep reading, keep studying, and keep working hard.